Anyone got the answer of question number 6? Sujan got the answer 20%. Very good, Sujan. What about others? Very easy question, guys. The number of male employee in company D. What is the number of male employee in company D? Or what is the number of male employee in company D? That would be 2500 minus 1220. So 1220, this would be how much? 1280 if I'm not wrong. Okay, just do the calculation. 2500 minus 1220. If you do, how much you will get? You will get 1280, right? So what they're asking you, the number of male employee in company D, total number of employees 2500, this much is female, is what percentage less than the number of female employee in company C? Number of female employee in company C is 1600. So the number of female employee in company C is 1600 and the number of male employee in company D is 1280. Any doubt, guys? What is the difference? The difference would be 320. Okay. So this is a question of percentage only, although this question looks like DI question, but it's actually the question of percentage. So what percentage, no, when we work on percentage, what we do in percentage, what we compare, divide by whom we compare into 100. Okay. This is what we do in percentage. So what we compare, by whom we compare, by 100. So what we are comparing, I'm comparing that the number of employee in company D, the male employee in company D is how much percentage less than the female employee in company C. That is the question, right, everyone? Did you understand what they're asking you in the question? They're asking you that the number of male employee in company D, the number of male employee in company D is how much? 1280. Is what percentage less than the female employee in company C? How much is the female employee in company C? 1600. They are asking you that 1280 is what percent less than 1600? That is the question. Is this clear, everyone? Anybody have any doubt? Is this part clear, everyone? If this is clear, then only I'll go ahead. Otherwise, I'll wait for all of you to respond. Is this much clear, everyone? Please reply. Guys, because if you'll not understand this, if you blindly follow what I'm saying, in exam, I will be not there, right, to help you. Like, how should you do? Like, so you should not get confused. In percentage, there is a base. Base means on what basis you are doing. So base is the number of female employee in company C. They're asking you that 1280 is how much less than 1600. So what you have to do here, guys? What you have to do here? 1600 minus 1280 divide by 1600 into 100. So this is 320 by 1600 into 100. So you know basic, you know the 16 table, 16 to the 30, 16 to the 32. So the answer is 20%. Clear? 16 1 the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 3 the 48, 16 4 the 64, 16 5 the 80, 16 6 the 96, 16 7 the 112, 16 8 the 128, 16 9 the 144, 16 10 the 160. So you should know the table. If you know the 16 table, 16 to the 32, you know the answer. Clear? Very easy question, guys. PGCET, the questions of mathematics is very easy. Only thing, if you just revise the basic concept. Okay, whenever you want, you can come. We'll have a revision session for all of you of the basics of the concept, what you have studied till 10th standard. Once the revision is done, you are all prepared for the exam. You don't have to worry about these questions. Very basic questions. Question number 7. What is the difference between the number of male employee in company A and that in company F? Can you do this, everyone? I'm not going to do this question. Very easy. Very easy. Easy is a very small word. Even my daughter can do this question. Simple. Male employee. You know how to find the male employee. Total minus female. Do that for A. Same thing do for F. What is the difference? Do by yourself. Tell me the answer. Clear na everyone? What is the... है ना? Nobody are facing any problem, right? Very good, Suman. What about others? What about others? Abhi, Aftab, Anusha, ask questions. Bhumika, Bindu, Chirag, Danush, Kavna, Kritika, Manoj, Nitya, Pooja, Sahana. Any doubt? Varun, Vaishnavi. Answer is 820. Correct, right, everyone? Just find the difference. 5550 minus 2410. Find the difference. That is a male employee in company A. Same wise do for company F. 3560 minus 1240. Find the difference. So you got the male employee in company A. You got the male employee in company F. Do the difference. You got that. Only thing is that here the important thing is the time. So if you're good with calculation, I know everyone in this world can do this question. It's not, it doesn't matter that you do or not do. This is not the question. Question is that how fast you can do. I hope you are getting the logic. And so answer for this would be 820. This is 20%. Clear? And can we go to the next question? Question number 8. If in April 2014, okay, you need this data, guys. Okay. If in case if you are not having this data, everyone, if possible, take the screenshot or something of this because you need this data for solving the question. Question number 7, 8, and all you need this data. So I'm cleaning for you people. So take the screenshots for the other question. We need this. Okay, everyone. Okay. So can I come to this question number 8? So in April 2015, okay, April 2015. Oh, I don't know what is this April 2015. So guys, whenever you get the question on DI, be very careful. I really request, see, if you see this question, they have mentioned clearly this question is of March. This data is of March 2015. So when they're talking about April 2015 means they're talking next month. Okay. Please do not get confused and all. Be careful whenever you see the data. Okay. So they're given you the data of March and then they're asking you about April. So April 2015, the number of female employee in company E. So how much is a female employee in company E in March? In March 2015, the female employee in company E is 2600. So this is 2600. This increased by 10%. 10% means what is 10% of this? 260. I hope you all know this. You don't need any rocket science to understand this part. And the number of total employee remain the same. Number of total employees 4240 only, guys. Okay, but the female employee become 2600 plus 260. Total female employee become 2860. The total female employee become 2600. Total female employee become 2860. Total employee is 4240 only. So how much would be the male employee? 4240 minus 2860. Okay, just do this. You'll get the answer. This would be 1380. So what is the number of male employee? 1380. Clear? Very good, Sujan. What about others? Abhi, Aftab, please reply, guys. Apeksha, Bharat, Bindu, Deepa, Dhanush, Isha, Harshita, Kavna, Monica, Manoj, Prajwal, Sahana, Vignesh, Baswaraju. Are you getting this? You have any concern? Whatever I'm doing, any part you are not understanding, please ask me. Clear, guys? Any question so far, whatever we have done? Anybody have any question? Do this. Question number 9. You all have the data, right? The total number of female employee in BF together is what percentage of the total number of employee in D? Do this, guys. You all have the data, right? In case if you are not having data, I'm showing you. Let me clean again this part. So the question is that B and F total female employee. So B and F total female employee 1860 and 1240. So 1860 plus 1240. Do the sum. Okay, this is the sum. Okay, 3100. Okay, this is what percentage of total number of employee in D. Total number of employee is in D is 2500. So total employee in D, total employee in D is 2500. Total employee in D is 2500, and the female employee, total number of female employee in B and F, this is what, 3100. 3100. Okay, so what they're asking you in this question, they're asking you this total number of female employee. Total number of female employees 3100. So this is what percentage of 2500. So 3100 is what percentage of 250. This is what they ask you. 00 you can cancel. 31 by 25 into 100. 25 forza is 100. So this would be 124. Clear? Very good, Dhanush. Vaishnavi, Varun, Baswa Raju, any doubt? Sujan, Prithvi, Sahana, Sanjeevni, Kavna, Kritika, Dhanush, Bharat, Bhumika, Aftaf, any question? What about others? Okay. So next question is about median. So this all we'll do in statistics, guys. So in first semester, we'll study statistics in MBA. There we'll clear all these concepts for you. So when what is median and all, so we'll study in first chapter measure of central tendency and all. We'll study about normal distribution curve, whatever data we have around us. I hope you heard of data science, big data, Hadoop, data analytics, data visualization. We give all form of specialization classes on all these tools. We'll make sure that at the end of your MBA, you become competent enough to survive in the corporate world. We'll have lot of companies visiting our campus. So anyway, so coming back to this question, you need to understand that everything follow normal distribution curve. So under the normal distribution curve, okay, we this is the curve of normal distribution. We'll study all this thing in statistics. Okay, we'll study. So under the normal distribution curve, okay, we have normal distribution curve. Everything follow normal distribution curve. So under the normal distribution curve, we believe that it is a property of data to aggregate at the center, which we called as a measure of central tendency. And under measure of central tendency, we study mean, median, mode. Okay, mean can be arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. So when we say median, right? Median is what? Finding the central part of the data. So what do you do in median? Okay, what we do in median, we arrange the data in ascending order. We arrange the data in ascending order. We arrange the data in ascending order, and then we find the middlemost value. So the formula of median is n plus 1 by 2 observation. This is the formula of median. So when you come for MBA, you study median, then you study quartiles. Quartile are of two type, lower quartile, upper quartile, Q1, Q3. This is n plus 1 by fourth observation. This is 3 into n plus 1 by fourth observation. This is upper quartile, lower quartile, decile, percentile. So they are much more complicated. Median is nothing but you arrange the data in ascending order and then you find a middlemost value. So if I give you 73, 49, 42, 86, 82, 93, 14, 18, some numbers like this. So what is the median of this number? If I ask you what is the median of this number, so what you do? You arrange the data in ascending order. So 14 is the smallest, then 18. Then after that you have 42. You arrange this data in ascending order. Okay, then you have 49. Then you have what 73. You arrange this data in ascending order. Then you have 82, then 86, then you have 93. Then count the number of terms. How many terms are there? ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು ಎಂಟು ಒಂಬತ್ತು 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 observations are there. Okay, so if you have 8 observations, then what is your median? Formula of median is n plus 1 by second observation. So your median would be 8 plus 1 by second observation. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5th observation. So what is your fourth observation, guys? Your fourth observation is 1, 2, 7, 3, 4. So fourth observation is 49. Your fifth observation is 73. Here they're asking us 4.5th observation. So 4.5th observation would be fourth observation plus fifth observation by 2. So this would be, I hope you're getting fourth observation 49 plus 73 by 2. So this would be what? 122 by 2 means 61. So the same logic we use here to find the median. This clear, right? Concept of median and all clear. Very good after. So the same logic we use here to find the median. We arrange the data in ascending order and we find the middlemost value. If we arrange the data in ascending order, what is the smallest value? If I'm not wrong, is 17. So 17, then 18, then 17, then 18, then 24, then 25, 17, 18, 24, 25, then 35, then 35, 36, 35, 36, and then 46. Correct now? 35, 36, and 46. So you arrange the data in ascending order. Tell me. So then count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations are there, right? So what is your median? Your median would be 7 plus 1 by 2 observation. So means your median is 4th observation. What is the 4th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 40. That is your clear, everyone. Very good after. You first arrange the data in ascending order, guys. Please remember why I took a lot of time in order to do this question, because median as a concept is very important concept. First, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So once you arrange the data in ascending order, then remember the formula of median. Okay, this is the formula of median. In case if they ask you about decile and all, chances is very less, decile, percentile and all. So the chances are very less. So anyway, so just remember median is the middlemost value. Clear? So you can expect 1 or 2 question on statistics also in exam. Okay. So just for your knowledge, when it comes to standard deviation, there is a possibility they might ask you question on standard deviation. So standard deviation we represent with the symbol called sigma, and the formula of standard deviation is summation of x square by n minus x bar square, or the another formula of standard deviation summation of x minus x bar whole square by n. What is x bar, guys? X bar is the average. You all know average. Sum of data by number of. If I give you some number like 2, 4, 6, 5, 7, what is the standard deviation of this? Do the square of this. So 4, 16, 36, 25, 49. Do the sum of this. Sum of this will be what? So this is 10, 16, 21, 33 carry, 3, 4, 7, 7, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 130. What is the formula of standard deviation? Summation of x square. Summation x square is 130 divided by n. N is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number minus x bar. What is x bar? Sum of data. Sum of data is how much? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. So sum of data is 24. What is the average of this? 24 by 5. That would be 4.8 if I'm not wrong. 4.8. So minus 4.8 square. Okay. So just do this. Sigma is equal to this would be 26 minus what is 4.8 square. So that is nothing but 23.04. So sigma would be equal to this would be 3.96. 2.96. This would be 2.96. Just do the square root of this. This is answer. So this is sigma means standard deviation, and the square of sigma is called as the variance. Just remember these terms. You can expect some basic questions on statistics. Okay, variance is the square of standard deviation. Please remember this. This basic term, square and all, very basic thing. Like if you notice, 40 square is 1600. 41 square is 1681, 42 square is 1764, 43 square is 1849, 44 square is 1916, then 1936, 45 square is 2025, 46 square is 2116, 47 square is 2209, 48 square is 2304, 49 square is 2401, and 50 square is 2500. Basics and all. So if you can remember, you would be good in calculation. I hope you are getting this part. Any number square, very easy. 99 square, you can write 100 minus 1. Vedic maths. 100 minus 1. You can write 100, 99 You get 99 square, you can write 100 minus 1. What is 1 square? 0, 1. 99 minus 1 is 98. So the 99 square would be 980. 1 10 is not. So, you can write this as 1 square. 1 square is 0, 1. This is 980. Any number square. If you want 48 square, 48 you can write 50 minus 2. What is 2 square? 0, 4. 48 minus 2 is 46 divided by 2, 2304. So if you attend my class on Vedic maths, I'll teach you all this thing. So please come, let's have one-to-one interaction. I'll help you with your preparation. Okay. Now coming back to this question number 11. So far we have done 10 questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Anybody, any doubt, any question? Anyone, any question? So circle, if you say circle, what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. And you know this, right? What is the area of circle? Pi r square. What is the formula of circumference of circle? The answer is 2 pi r. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. You can remember. Circle, when it comes to circle, so this is the radius. What is radius? From the central part of the circle, what we do, we calculate a distance which we call as radius, and whenever you draw circle from any part of the circumference, this distance will be equivalent. This is called radius, and the double of radius is called diameter. Please understand, the largest line which we can draw from one end to the other end, crossing the center of the circle, is the diameter. Any other line is called as chord. Any other line is called as chord. Chord is any line which can touch one point of the circle to the other point of the circle. This is called as secant. If you draw a line which can intersect the circle and go, we call this as secant. This is called as tangent. The line which is perpendicular from the center, that is called as tangent. And this tangent just touch the circle and okay. So this much, please be clear with your concept. Next is the square. When we say square, square means all sides are 90 degree and all distance is same, equivalent, is all are same. So the area of the square is side square. This is the area of the square, side square, or half into diagonal square. You can remember this. Okay. What is diagonal? These are lines are called diagonal. These lines are perpendicular. In the case of square and rhombus, what is rhombus? What is square? What is rectangle? You should be clear with these ones. Coming to the question, anyone, any doubt? Whatever we have done, please ask me. Any question? Why so silence? अभी आफ्ताब अपेक्षा अपर्णा भरत भूमिका बिंदु धनुष ईशा अर्शिता कवना ममता पूजा प्रज्वल पृथ्वी सुजन any doubt Vaishnavi Varun any question so find the area of the area of square inscribed in the circle so area of the square is inscribed in a circle so suppose this is a circle and if you inscribe a square okay please understand this. Yeah. So if I put a square inside the circle, please remember this. Keep this in your mind. Okay. Then if a square is inscribed in a circle, okay, please remember that the diagonal of the square will be equal to the diameter of the circle. Please remember this. So this is the diagonal of the square. Suppose this is A, this is A. So I hope you know Pythagoras theorem. So this would be root 2A. This would be root 2A. And if the radius of the circle, if A is the side of the square, A is the side of square, and R is the radius of circle, and R is the radius of a circle. So you can say that root 2A is equal to 2R. Please remember. You can say that A is equal to 2 by root 2R. So A is equal to root 2R. Keep this in your mind. Remember this property. I hope I'm audible. You can remember this property. And I hope how this got you understand, right? If this is square, this is A, this is A. Okay, you know Pythagoras theorem, right? Anyone, what is Pythagoras theorem? So by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Do you know? So in a right angle triangle, this is A, B, C, D. So for a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to base square plus height square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. So this is diagonal. So your diagonal square would be BC. This is A square plus A square. So the square of diagonal would be the, the square of diagonal equal to so so this would be 2A square. This would be root of 2A square. This would be root 2. You're getting this part, everyone. You can remember in case if you don't understand much on maths, you can remember diagonal is equal to root 2A. What is A? A is the side of the square. And remember that if a square is inscribed in the circle, then the diameter of the circle will be equal to the diagonal of the square. Clear, na, everyone? So once you're clear with this concept, so what they're given, radius is given 4. So already I told you the relation. So radius is given as 4. So the side of square is 4 root 2. Okay, so what is the area of the square? Area of the square. What is the formula of area square? Side square. So 4 square into root 2 square. 4 square is 16, root 2 square is 2. It will be 32 square. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Anybody? Any doubt? Usha, Vaishnavi, Varun, any doubt? Sujan, Sujna, Sanjeevni, Prajwal, Manoj, Harshita, Chirag, Bhumika, ask question. Clear, everyone? Ask questions if you are having any problem. Please ask me. Try question number 12. Very good, Suman. Try question number 12. Do let me know the reason why you want to do MBA and what specialization are you planning to take in MBA. all the specializations doesn't matter. Nowadays, everyone is talking about data analytics, business analytics. They are in big demand. So they will always have a demand, provided you should have reasonable knowledge on R, Python, SAS, data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI. If you are competent enough with these tools, you can definitely get a job in the market. What matters is that how comfortable you are with system, how aware you are about computers, basic knowledge on whatever technologies we have. Either you, if you are very good with Excel or Python or Java, definitely there's a lot of scope is there. We make sure that we give all the forms of training to all of you to make sure that you get what you are looking for. Anyone have any aim? Anyone have any confusion with regard to your MBA program? Please ask me. Question number 12. So far we have done 11 questions. I believe you all can easily do all these questions, right? Easy, right? How you found these questions? Difficult or medium or easy? How you rate these questions? Guys, how you rate these questions? Is these questions are easy or they're difficult? They're actually very easy. They're not easy, they're very easy. Okay, you can easily do very well in exam. You don't have to worry about that part. So we in Padma Shri, we made sure that when our students were in graduation only, we used to give them training on CA Foundation, CS, CSET. For our students from Padma Shri, for them, these questions are very easy because they have already gone through these forms of training. We have given even bank exam coaching for our students in graduation. Our objective was not that all our students should clear bank. We wanted to make sure that their basic knowledge on aptitude should be very good. That was the whole objective. Yeah, basically we are running an MBA program, so we make sure that we discuss concepts related to MBA program. Question number 12. Anyone have any doubt? If you have any problem, any confusion with regard to admissions, do visit our campus or you have our representative number. You can speak with them, clear your doubts. Do come, we'll have one-to-one discussion. My name is Amit Kumar Singh. So question number 12, can we do question number 12? You know the area of rectangle, very basic. When it comes to this rectangle, when we talk about rectangle, all sides are perpendicular. Okay, in rectangle, this is called length, this is called breadth, this is called length, this is called breadth. So opposite sides are equal and perpendicular. Diagonal bisect each other, but they do not bisect at right angle. Okay, remember this. So the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle would be, perimeter means sum of all sides. So that would be 2 into L plus 2. You can repeat for the rectangle. So what they have given us in the question, the area of rectangle is 4 times the area of square. So suppose it's a square, is a square, all sides are perpendicular, all sides are equal. Suppose this is A, all sides are A. So area of the square, already in previous question explained you, half into diagonal square, half into diagonal square or side square. Okay, remember this formula. And perimeter of this would be 4A. So the area of rectangle is 4 times the area of square. So area of rectangle, so area of rectangle length into breadth is 4 times the area of the square. I assume A is the side of the square. And the area of square is given 720. Okay, they have given us the area, right? They have given us the area. Area is 729. 729 is the square of the side. What is the side value? Square root of 720. Okay, what is the square root of 729? That is 27. How to find the square root? You remember. Just read. This is multiply 2 plus 2, 4. This is 4, 329. Multiply with the number. If you try, you'll get 129. Then try 47. 47 sevens are 47 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 4 carry 320. This is the square root of 729. Anyway, you should know, right? So the side of square is 27. Then write length into breadth. That's 4 into area. Area of the square is 720. They have given us, right? Any doubt? And you should remember the square, guys. 11 square, 121. 12 square, 144. 13 square, 169. 14 square, 196. 15 square, 225. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 17, 18 square, 324. 19 square, 361. 20 square, 400. 21 square, 441. 22 square, 484. 23 square, 529. 24 square, 576. 25 square, 625. 26 square, 676. 27 square, 729. If you don't know, you can remember the formula A square, 2AB, B square. Your A is 2, your B is 7. Start from here, come here. What is B? B is 7. 7 square, 49. Right, 9, 4 carry. What is 2 into 2 into 7? 2 into 2 into 7 is 28. 28. So 2 into 2, 4. 4, 7, 4 is 28 plus 4 carry. 32. 3 carry. 2 squares 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 720. I told you thousands of ways. So here, length into breadth. The area of rectangle is 4 times the area of square. So calculators not yet, don't multiply and all. Leave it like that. Okay. What they are given, the length of rectangle is 81. The length of rectangle is 81. This is 4 into 729. So I can find the breadth of rectangle 4 into 729 by 81. Okay. So you can just, if you know basic, this is 81 9. So breadth of rectangle is 36. So the length of rectangle is 81, breadth of the rectangle is 36. Okay. So the length of rectangle is 81. This is the length of rectangle 81. Breadth of the rectangle is 36. And the side of the square is 27. Clear? What is the difference between the side of square and the breadth of rectangle? What is the difference? 36 minus 27. How much you'll get? 3, 9. 9 is what? Simple question. But why I'm taking so much time to do this question? Because I wanted to make sure that I should clear all the concepts surrounding that question. You are getting me right? Because tomorrow when you write the exam, the same question will not come, right? Questions will come based on these concepts. So you should understand what is square, what is rectangle, what is circle, what is triangle, what is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. You should know these concepts, right? So they have given in the question that again I'm doing, so they have given in the question that the area of rectangle, area of rectangle, area of rectangle is 4 times the area of square. Area of rectangle is 4 times the area of square. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is the area of square? They are given as 729. Okay, and they've given the length is 81. So 81 is equal to 4 into 729. So you can find the breadth 4 into 729 by 81. If you solve, you will get the breadth is 36. Okay, and the area of square is side square, that is given 729. So the side of the square is 27. Already I explained you how to find the square root and all. They're asking you the difference between this. The difference between this is 9. Clear, guys? Anyone have any doubt, any question? Bindu, what you're saying? Yeah. Recording is being done. You can ask my team. They will help you with the recording if you want this recording in future. Okay, Bindu. Question number 13, guys. So far we have done 12 questions. Please ask me if you have any doubt. Question number 1. Anyone have doubt? Question number 1. Anyone have doubt? Please ask me. I'll do it again. Don't worry about that part. I have enough time. I can sit for you all 24 hours. I want to make sure that you should understand this concept. Okay. So I'm solving here last year question paper of quantitative aptitude. I hope those people who have attended, who have started the class late, for them, we are discussing last year quantitative aptitude section, and all the questions are very